Greetings, everyone. Welcome to another episode of T.Gresh Realty. I am your real estate queen. We are showing you the Empire. Okay, this is the Empire community, and you're going to look at the model home called the Hamilton. We're going to take you inside this home, okay? And this actually subdivision has been here for a few months now, and they finally opened the model in April. So I am just able to get here to see it. So I'm going to take you on this tour. All right, let's step on in and see what we have going on, everyone. All right. As you can see, the model is always going to have the most updates and upgrades going on. So you do get your shelving in the background there, your encased shelving for an office space. A very spacious office, I must say. So let's take you in here. A lot of natural light coming in from the windows, even with blinds up. So that's a good thing. Okay, they've gone with a neutral color tone in here, which definitely makes it very open and inviting. Mirrors, what they do is they always add a sense of openness to the premises. All right, and let's take a look to the left, you all. So as you can clearly see, this is going to be your coat closet, and it's a double door closet. Right here is going to be your bathroom, which is your powder room. It's very fresh, very new smelling in here. It smells like fresh wood. We have a lot of intricate details going on, which I think it's very nice and customized. It makes it feel like they have given attention to the meticulous details that are going on, and it's not a cookie cutter style home, you all. So if you're interested, please reach out to Tanita. My number is 980-428-2333. This is your real estate queen. Look at the kitchen area right here. Of course, you will be able to customize. A lot of people love the gas top cook stove, stainless steel appliances, nice flooring. This is what the floor looks like. And plenty of nice big open windows, you all. Very, very nice. All right, let me take you on the patio outside. If you're in the mood for open concept, this is what you have going on. All right, so you do get a covered patio, and it does have a ceiling fan outside to entertain with guests. Panning around, I'm going to show you the pantry. Okay, it does have a window door, and as you can clearly see in that pantry area, you have some nice size shelving and a nice size pantry, you all. All right. This is going to be a drop zone or your mud area where you can hang your coats, put your boots, tennis shoes, things like that when you come in this area right here. And this right here is just another room for storage. All right, now we're about to head upstairs, everyone. "16 steps, you all." Now, should we go to the left or the right? Let's go to the right. Right here we have your bedroom, which is also going to be your primary ensuite. And I just love the lighting in here. I think it's beautiful, immaculately well thought out. You get not one but two closets in here. So I'll take you over there so you can see what that looks like in just a minute. Very deep closet. That's a walk-in. And over here you have another closet. My guess this is a his closet, and this is the hers closet. Why? Because we know that females have plenty more things in their repertoire for their wardrobe, you all. Also, you get the standalone shower with the tile that goes all the way up. And then you do get this customary sliding glass door. Plenty of natural light comes in. And then here is your double vanity sink, everyone. Okay. Privatized water closet with the door. Crown molding, tray ceiling, recessed lighting all throughout. Step out of there and then you are enter into your loft space, which you can use as a study area. This has been combined into two separate spaces. If you have a study area, you can put your books here on the shelving. Very nice, wide open windows for plenty of natural light through this space. And you can also watch TV, and then there's a game area. So that lets you know how this loft space can clearly be utilized. Very functional, very wide open area here for navigating throughout the home. This is going to be a laundry space for a full-size washer and dryer. Plenty of space in there as well. Linen closet. Then we have bedroom number 2. Okay, double doors, nice lighting, nice space, nice square footage going on in here. Pull down attic right there, and to the corner here we're going to have a double vanity sink, full bath, shower tub combo in here. Very well thought out. And then we have bedroom number 3 in this space right here. So each room does have a lot of natural lighting, which I think is very significant, especially in this community, especially if you're into having natural light. I think it is something that is very important to always have. All right, you all, this has been an episode with T.Gresh Realty. This is your real estate queen, Tanita, signing out. If you are interested in a home as such as this, please give me a call at 980-428-2333. Signing out, you all.